In this video, I want you to tell me what sort of build you'd like to see, whether it be a budget computer build, a mid-range one, or high-end one. Let me know what you would like to see on this channel. Also, I need you to tell me which computer case you actually want to see the build going. Now, I have 6 computer cases that I can upgrade, including that baby over there, and I'm going to go through them right now. The first one, which I can't actually show you right now because it's buried over there and I'm not digging it out. That is the Thermaltake Mozart TX. And it's my first ever fully water-cooled PC. Except for, I think, the hard drives and the RAM. Those are the only things that weren't water-cooled. Everything else was water-cooled. And I built that quite a few years ago. So let me know if you're interested in that. So I can't actually dig it out, but I will show you a picture of it. Or, what about the EVGA DG87, that baby over there? That was my first ever unboxing video that I've done on YouTube. I had to wait 3 months for that to turn up. Now, I've already done a little upgrade on it already. I've put a 3.5 inch monitor on the inside, which is in there right now, and that's fine. Let me know if you'd like to see that upgraded and what sort of upgrade, you know, bottom end, mid-range or high end, and also whether or not water cooled. Or you might favour one of these little babies that I've done reviews on. Now this is Hwarrior HCS195 version 2. I've got a little label on there to remind me. And it's already got a budget build already inside it, as you can see. So let me know if you want me to upgrade that baby. Now these two look very similar, but this is the Hwarrior HC195. And like I said, they look very similar on design, but there is a slight difference. This one, for instance, the 195 version 2, has built-in LEDs. Well, the version 1, it doesn't. So there's a slight difference. Although the design's the same, they are slightly different. One's got built-in LED, so you don't have to buy a hub or anything like that for it. Or you may prefer something a little bit bigger. Now this is the Sahara H600. I've reviewed this quite a long time ago. It's empty. There's nothing inside it. They've all got side panels of glass on one side, all of them, as you could see in there. Or you might like this one, the Sahara P35. This has a glass front on it, whereas that one has a mesh and a side panel with air vents down the side for better airflow. Again, another good computer case. These are all budget ones, by the way. These are very cheap to buy, but they do the job. Or maybe this little baby over here, which again, I've got a label on it. So that baby over there is the Sahara Gaming, the P480. And it has RGB fans in it. And again, it is at the moment my favourite one. That one over there is my favourite. So let me know in the comments whether you think I should do a budget build, a medium build or a high-end build, and also what computer case you like. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, follow, whatever you need to do, get on there and click that button. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.